Hello children, this is Simran from Fortune High. Our today's subject is EVS and our today's topic is birds. Children, today we are going to learn the names of the birds. So now tell me, which bird is this? Who can tell me? Yeah, this is a crow. This is a crow. And what's the color of the crow? Black color. And now, which bird is this, children? This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. And now, which bird is this? Yes, it's a parrot. It's a parrot. Lovely, lovely parrot. Wow, now this is a colorful bird, children. Which bird is this? It's a peacock. It's a peacock. And you know, children, peacock is a national bird. Peacock is a national bird. Now, which bird is this small? Yes, it's a sparrow. It's a sparrow. Now, who can tell me which bird is this? It's a flamingo bird. It's a flamingo bird. Now, which bird is this? Yeah, it's a penguin. It's a penguin. Children, which bird is this? It's an ostrich. It's an ostrich. Now look who's this. Which bird is this? It's a duck. It's a duck. Now which bird is this? It's an eagle. It's an eagle. Children, which bird is this? Yes, it's a hen. It's a hen. So children, we saw so many birds. Yes, now we'll say a rhyme on birds. Okay children, come on with me. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. And now children, it's activity time. Yes, now children, there are few birds. We have to do one activity, okay? We have to circle the same bird. The first bird is woodpecker in the first line. So we have to circle the same bird in the same line, same bird. Okay children? Okay, so first is woodpecker, second is a pigeon, and third again is a woodpecker. We have to circle the same bird, children. And in second line there's one eagle, and then it's a hen, and third is again a eagle. So we have to circle the same bird. And in the last line, children, there is first bird is penguin, second is penguin, and third is an owl. So we will circle the penguin because we have to circle the same bird. Okay children? I hope you enjoyed the video, children. Thank you.